Hello everyone, it's Rose, and I hope everybody's fine today. I have another unboxing. I don't actually know what this one is because when I check it on my tracker, the tracking number is not on my tracker. So, let's find out. So it's very, very well taped. I cannot tell from the shipping label what it is. So let's just get into this. It's very well taped. So I've started receiving my 11/11 packages, and oh my goodness, there's so many. And then, of course, I decided I would buy a few things during the Black Friday sale as well. So I bought a bunch more stuff on AliExpress. So right now I am waiting for 26 packages, and I have 4 here in hand. So that's a lot of diamond paintings. All right, let's see. Because many of the packages have up to 8 things inside of them. All right. Ooh, I've got a kit. And I got another kit. Ooh. And, oh, okay. This is from Homfun. Yeah, this is from Homfun. And so there are 2 diamond paintings in here. All right, and apparently they're different sizes. Let's get the drills for the second one out. Well, actually, I'll leave the drills for the second one in there. What I need to do is figure out what size is this? 50 by 75. So that'll be the one on the inside. So let me just pull it out. There we go. And we'll take these elastic bands off. I actually like these elastic bands. Some people don't, you know, because they sometimes leave a little bit of an impression, but I don't care. It's not going to hurt the diamond painting in any way. So this is very, very well wrapped. Let's see. Wait a minute. Who again or Homfun? Let's see. Oh, it's Homfun. This is Homfun. Okay, so my faith in Homfun is becoming restored. Because many of you will remember that last November 11, I'm just putting the other diamond painting back in the box because I'll do that one in a separate unboxing. Because some of you will remember that last year in November, for the 11/11 sale, I purchased a very large canvas from Homfun, and I never got it. It wasn't 100% their fault because they shipped it and it got essentially turned away by Canada Post. Oh, this is the wrong. This is okay. All right. This is okay. This is 60 by 60. Okay, I've got the wrong diamonds. That's the thing. All right. Oh, open the other one then. All right. Let me roll this one back up. Okay. Okay. So the one I'm opening is the stained glass butterfly. And I had started unwrapping the wrong one, and then when I saw the thumbnail on it, I realized, nope, that's not this. So I'm sure many of you have seen this image. I've always been entranced by it. I just love this. And so it's been in my cart for a very, very long time, and I decided I would finally buy it. I sure hope it's not full round. Pretty sure I ordered square. Okay, so it turns out I did order round drills for this, which of course was not what I had intended to do, but that's what I did. So they sent me the right thing. All right, so they did send me the right thing, even though it's different shaped drills. So, okay. So let's take a look at it. I'll just take the rubber bands off and we will unroll this. Yep, there we go, round 50 by 75. Some of you like to see the item number, so there you go. And there is the image. I'm sure it'll be pretty, it's just I prefer doing squares. Okay, so let's lay this down. While the canvas is relaxing, I'll just show you the kit that comes with it. So you get a single placer with a 3-placer on the end, a tray of wax, piece of wax, a few baggies, I don't know, looks like maybe 5 or 6, a boat with a funnel, and the bent nose tweezers. Yeah, so it's a fine kit, perfectly fine. Oh, something I wanted to point out to you is when you collect, like when you're collecting diamond painting kits and you collect, and you collect toolkits, don't try to use the same multi-placer for round drills or as for square drills, because the tips, especially on this kind, this sort of semi-translucent, the 3-placers, the 4-placers, for example, they conform to the shape of the diamond that you're putting in them. So if you have a round kit, make sure you're using either a new multi-placer or one that's been used for round drills, because it will have conformed to the shape of the round drills. Same if you're using a multi-placer for square drills, either use a new one or use one that you've used only for square drills in the past, because I learned to my frustration that trying to use a multi-placer from one shape to another doesn't work, and you end up getting your drills off the grid or off the circles because the multi-placer is kind of trying to force them into place, because of course the round drills are a little bit bigger than the square drills, and so of course it's going to take up more room in the multi-placer. Okay, so that's a long explanation about that. Let me now pull back the paper on this, and we will expose the diamond painting. Oh my goodness, they have guide circles, which I don't like. Oh well. Oops. That was my fault. All right, well, I think it's gonna look beautiful when it's finished. Yeah, it's gonna look absolutely stunning. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a voiceover of the ordering information and the price and all that stuff, and I'll stick it in over top of the fast forward on the inventory. So I won't get into that right now, but yeah, that's really, really pretty. That is a beautiful butterfly. I am very, very happy with this. Okay, I'm going to take you out of the cradle, and well, first I'm going to blow you up so that you can see a little bit more of the detail. And then now I'm going to take you out of the cradle and I'm going to take you down and show you this diamond painting close up. And I'll show you the legend as well. Now, I don't know exactly how many colors there are, but look at that, that's beautiful. But what I do like is that the symbol set that they're using is just a more or less standard symbol set that, I don't know, railroad track. It's not a railroad track. I'll call it a double cross. That's a new symbol for me. But all the others are standard symbols, and there's nothing, I don't think, that could be confused. Let's see, there's a 0, there's an O, but no 0, I think. Yeah, it's a very clear symbol set, not going to be a problem. Now let's take a look at the canvas. That is super, super clear. This is my first Homfun diamond painting that I've actually received in my hot little hands, and that is exceptionally clear printing. Wow, I am super close now, and that is very, very clear. Okay, let's pull out a little bit. I just love this. It's like a church stained glass window in a butterfly. Like, how gorgeous is that? How gorgeous is that? Yeah. Okay, so this will be fun to do, even though it's round. It'll be good. I don't know when I'll do it, but it'll be good when I do finally do it. Okay, I'm going to pull away, and I'm going to put you back in the cradle, and we're going to look now at the drills. Okay, now just before I show you the drills, I'm going to cover this up and measure it for you before I forget. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. So let me measure. So again, this is supposed to be 50 by 75. And it is 50. And it's just short of 75. It's like 74.7. So that's good enough for me. 50 by 75 is what I'm marking on my sticker here. Okay, so yeah, I thought I had ordered a square. Well, it clearly didn't, because when I checked my order, it said round. Okay, so that's all good. Let's turn this over, and in just a moment, you will see me doing the drills. Okay, so we're ready. I've got the paper taped down so that you'll always be able to see the whole thing. And let's start. Okay, so this is the stained glass butterfly, and it's actually my second stained glass butterfly. So it's stained glass butterfly number 2. I ordered it from AliExpress during the November 11th sale, and it was shipped to me on November 18th. So it took them a week to get the shipping done. But then after that, it came to me very, very quickly. I received it on November 29th. So that was only 11 days after it was shipped. So that was very, very fast. The regular price for this was $33.90. And with the discounts that I got about $4.78 off. So I got it for $29.12 Canadian. Now, I know many of you are interested in the quality of the drills that I'm inventorying, and while I didn't pay close attention while I was doing the unboxing, I did just now open up the drills and take a look at a few of them. They look to be very, very sparkly and shiny, and they also look to be of good quality. I can't be sure of that though until I actually start drilling it. But for those of you who like to know, that's my observation. Okay. All right. So, just reading up the list here. I have all 39 colors, and I have the exact correct number of bags for each. So there we go. That's it for this diamond painting. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that now. You can click on me down below here to subscribe, and you can get notifications of when I post new videos. And I love to get your comments, so please do take a moment and leave me a comment about this video. Thanks everybody, and I will be back with you again soon for another diamond painting unboxing. Bye-bye.